So because the map is built out effectively as an IBD, we can use a dynamic legend to color it and let us see the relationship between the different map areas and what they're connected to. And so in this case, if we zoom out and take a look at the entire map, this gives us a sense of the layout. Notice that one of the lakes is not connected, so it's probably just there for decoration. And notice that we have a variety of connections shown here, and the part properties are automatically color-coded for us based on the sides. And so that's done with a legend where we are able to define the legend as well as how these adornments are applied. So if we look at the legend items, in this case, an American homeland area, the trick to this is to understand how to get from what's displayed, in this case part properties, to where the information is stored that we're testing to decide what to apply. So in this case, we want to do a property test for the side that's American, and so what we've done here is we have a meta chain set up where the property test is checking the homeland area stereotype for American, and we're feeding it a meta chain that hops from the part property to its type, which in this case is the block or homeland area, and that's what carries the information that we care about. So we have a similar one for the British homeland areas. In the case of the fort, we're applying a icon adornment here, and we're testing for the fort flag to be set to true. So note that down here we do have one fort so far that's been set, Amherstburg. Now notice the icon's a little large, and there's a need to tweak that. So perhaps a smaller file or changing the scale of this would resolve that. So here's a case where the dynamic legend isn't working perfectly, and perhaps a smaller icon or something would resolve that. So again, it's not always a perfect system, but it definitely is helpful when it comes to rapidly applying information.